Hi guys, I've got HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28w here, and let's prepare this printer to work and set it up to print from your computers and mobile devices in your home network. Subscribe to Signal Guru and let's go. After unboxing, make sure you've removed all protective film from the printer's surfaces, especially from cartridge and cartridge slot. To do this, slowly lift up the top section of the printer, right up to the fixed position. Now find the handle of the cartridge and gently pull it towards you. Don't force it, just do it slowly. Make sure you don't have protective film on the cartridge and inside the printer. Now put the cartridge back. To do this, align the cartridge by these guides, by these two guides, and lower it, gently lower it, and slightly push, but don't force. So fix the cartridge in the slot and slowly close the top section. Now check the scanning surface. Wipe it if you need to remove dust and scratch and spots. Close it back. Now open the paper tray, expand it completely, and also open output tray that prevents your papers to fall down when printing. Now you can insert paper to the paper tray. By the way, you have two guides here. They center your paper in the tray and fix your paper stack. So insert your paper and adjust guides to the sheet width, and that's it. Now plug the printer into a power source and power it on. Just press the power button once. Now you see HP letters on the LCD display. It means the printer is powered on. Some loading is in process, just wait for it. And you need to make sure the Wi-Fi indicator is blinking blue. It means the printer is ready to work and ready to be connected to your devices. Now you can continue on your computer, whether you use Windows or Mac OS. Go to your respective application store. In my case, this is Microsoft Store, and install HP Smart application. So if something goes wrong, just close the application and relaunch it. Now you need to let HP Smart access your precise location. Without this permission, you will not be able to set up your printer. So click yes. Now just click on Add Printer and let's start. Wait for this search. Now when available printer displayed, click on that to set up. Time to connect, set up and manage your HP printer. Okay, let's continue. Connect printer to Wi-Fi. Now you need to grant access to Wi-Fi password of your home network, or click no thanks and enter password manually, but let's just allow. Continue. Find it in the printer. Okay, printer is found. Now some configurations undergoing. Joining the network. Guys, if you have some issues on these steps 1, 2, 3, try to do next. First, try to restart your computer, then try to restart printer. Also, you can try to reinstall the HP Smart application. And as a last resort, reset your printer to the factory settings. Now printer connected to Wi-Fi. Everything is okay, it seems. So let's click continue. Connected printing services. You can read it if you want, but I just going to click on accept all and enable auto update for my printer. Click apply. Now you can send installation link to other devices or just skip this step for now. Setup is complete. Now you can print a test page. Let's print it. Let's see how it works. Now you can make your adjustments, orientation, paper type, and so on, and click on print. Something's going on. Perfect, we've just connected a new printer to our wireless network and we can print for other devices as well. So let's connect a smartphone now. To connect your printer to smartphone, you also need to install HP Smart application. Fortunately, it's available both in Google Play Store and App Store. So just go and get it. Next, open the application. As always, accept terms and conditions. And set up a new printer. Allow to find devices on local networks. And now you need to tap on connect printer already connected to network, because we've already done it. Let's connect this printer. And it seems we're all set. So connecting printer to next device is much more easier than initial connection. Let's try to print something. Let's go to print documents. By the way, to control your printer from this application, you need to sign in to your HP account. If you don't have, just create one. It's super simple. Just email, password, confirm email, and that's it. Let me just sign in. I have my password saved to my password manager, so it's super easy for me. Make it the same for you. Save your passwords. Now allow full access to our gallery. So what we're gonna print? Let's print something from Google Drive. Sign into Google Drive. Continue. HP Smart wants some permissions. Let's allow. Continue. Google Drive is added. So now let's print, let's say, tongue twisters. You can use print preview, share or save, use mobile fax, use some shortcuts, whatever it means. So let's tap on print preview. Now you can select your printer and print your document. That's great, guys. Now it's easy for you to add new devices to your printing network, add new printers, manage your printer from HP Smart application on smartphone and PC. So explore settings, explore features. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.